We are now at Ecuagenera Deflask area and greenhouse, where we do the deflasking and we grow them. What we use here to make the deflasking is fine pine bark. Before we cook this, so we take all the tannino and we wash a lot so the plants can grow very good. Now we are potting is a Dendrobium prasinum, and this is how Erika does. 200 plants in this tray, 200 plants. So these are miniatures. And so like this, we have here Ornithocephalum ecuadorensis and Alepantes teretipetala. So thousands of plants of each one. Sometimes we reproduce more than what we need. But this is the passion to reproduce. And this area is very important to have high humidity. And for that, we put under the benches we put the water system. So with that we create high humidity. We don't like to water too much these plants because they can rot, they can go bad. But the humidity is very important here, no less than 60%. The light, it has like 70% shade, so only receiving from the top like 30%, and they receive from the sides a little bit more light, morning and afternoon light. That will be fine. But you can see here how many plants are in this greenhouse, in the benches and the walls. We use all the space. Here, when it's full, is over 150,000 plants. As you can see, some of them are miniature. Like here, this is only one group. There's another group here. So also here we do grow some Draculas, and Draculas loves this area. So we have the mother plants to keep making seeds, because what we need is to have the best orchid or plant collection in the world, because we don't grow only orchidaceas. We do grow araceas, gesneraceas, bromeliaceas, and so on. We have many different ones. And it's very, very nice when rare plants that we had only one or two, after that we have many, like this group, Pleurotalis cypripedioides, and the flower. So you can see how many we have here. It is fantastic. And Lepantes, and other genus from Asia. And more Lepantes and Lepantes. And the Pantopsis, Dracula here is the one there in flower, and so many Draculas as mother plants. For us it's very important to have mother plants. Dracula is a good place here to grow the mother plants, but we do have our greenhouse just to grow our commercial plants. So this is the work that we like to continue doing in our place. Here a beautiful Epidendrum megalospatum. I always love this species, but it was not easy to reproduce them. Now we have plenty. Ornithocephalum ecuadorensis. It's beautiful because the flower and also have a very nice name, Ornithocephalum ecuadorense. So the dendrobium we do grow in moss. Erika, can you come here? Pela una plantita, por favor. Esta está en pino, me gusta más en pino. This is in pine bark. So I like better these roots than moss. So moss is good only for 6 months. After 6 months, you have to be very careful because sometimes they don't, the moss goes bad. So in the case of bark, that lasts at least 2 years. And this is a beautiful thing. Dendrobium subcaule. Dendrobium subcaule. It's a beautiful thing. Carlos here is doing the pollination in Lepantes. So this is our deflasking area. Dendrobiums are flowering here because we need more space in the other greenhouse. So we have to prepare space. But this is what I can show you.